Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In today's video, I will tell you about how you can configure the Wi-Fi and hotspot in your device Oneplus Nord CE2. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device Nord CE2 you are having issue related to configuring Wi-Fi and hotspot, you can solve this by the method I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve to configure the Wi-Fi and hotspot in your device OnePlus Nord CE2. Let's watch it.